Alright guys, so welcome back to today's video. Today I am in a different part of Mumbai. I'm in what is their more modern district, and not a lot of people know, but actually on the flight here to Mumbai I was speaking to a family on the plane next to me, super friendly family, and they were giving me lots of information about Mumbai, and they said to me that it is becoming very, very modern here, and actually it's not widely pushed, and you don't really see too much of the modern side of India. So that's kind of what I wanted to do a little bit of today, just kind of showing how India is actually developing. That eventually Mumbai will become like the next Dubai, so that is huge. And I'm actually starting my day here today at one of the most modern shopping centres here in Mumbai, called Phoenix Palladium. So you can see just there, we've got the sign for Phoenix Palladium. There's tons of restaurants and shops and things inside. So hopefully I'll be able to go in here and show you guys around first, and then afterwards we'll take a little walk around. Maybe there'll be some other things we can see in the city. Hopefully we can go into the mall now, and hopefully we can record some bits and pieces while we're in there. I'm going to go and ask security. So I've just gone and asked, and basically you can't film in there. Nothing actually opens in there until 11 o'clock, so I'm very early. It's only about 9 o'clock now. When I had a little look inside, it is very upmarket. There is a lot of expensive designer clothing stores in there, so I think it definitely would be worth checking out. But yeah, obviously a shame that I couldn't show you guys what it's like inside, but you can see the outside there. It's a pretty big place. You can already tell by the surroundings around here how different it is from the rest of Mumbai. You can see guys here, it's got a lot of construction going on, but just in the distance over there we've got a really cool city skyline. So there you go, you can see, I think this is all probably here because they're still constructing stuff, so people are just walking in the road. But apparently at the bottom of this road there's actually some kind of museum, so when we get to that museum, I think that's also when we get to this, the taller building, so we'll start seeing things like the area where all like the 5-star hotels are. But yeah, lots of construction workers carrying like bags of things, you can see here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. From country?
England.
England.
England, yeah. Are you from Mumbai? Ah, nice. Dhanyavad. Have a good day.
Where are you from?
I'm from England. England, yeah. Are you from Mumbai?
Yes.
All from Mumbai, yeah?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, good.
Yeah,
Yes,
lots
metro line.
Metro line, yeah?
What is the new metro line? You are the
New
metro
one.
line workers.
Ah, that's what's being made now, yeah?
Metro, yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, gotcha. Okay. These guys here, they're hard at work making the new metro line.
Yeah.
Which is going to be awesome, so it's going to get more connections in Mumbai, right? Yeah, so there'll be more connections around Mumbai. Yeah. There's some proof that Mumbai is slowly becoming more of like going to be having more of like a modern city. It's going to be really cool to see the development and the progress on this area. Lots of construction going on.
Metro station.
Metro station's being built.
Metro station.
There we go. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we have the creative science world over there. I'm not sure how big it is, not sure what it's like, but we can definitely check it out soon. Hey. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, yeah. Having a good day? Yeah. Kiran.
This country?
England. Yeah. Are you from Mumbai?
You are Mumbai.
Mumbai, yeah. What was your name?
My name is Suhail.
Suhail, nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Welcome.
Have a nice day.
Well.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Up here I think we have the Four Seasons Hotel, which is a very famous hotel chain. So maybe we can actually show you that and how that is as being like a 5-star hotel in Mumbai.
Hello, Mumbai.
Lots of taxis everywhere. Okay. So here we are, we've got the Four Seasons Hotel just here. Very, very epic looking building right in the heart of the Mumbai. It's not located overly far from the airport either, to be honest. It's fairly central to everything. And you can see, got beautiful, beautiful palm trees going all the way up here. Really lovely driveway. Perfect, thank you. Thank you. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good, good, thank you. Well, that was a very, very friendly, lovely experience in the Four Seasons hotel. I just went in there and ended up having some breakfast and a coffee. So down in this next area where we're going to, Antelia, it is known to have some of the richest buildings in Mumbai. So it's going to be great to have a little bit of exploring around there, how that side of Mumbai, how people live. So I'll look forward to sharing my journey with you, but for now, we're just going to wait for the Uber and try and keep out of the sun.
He's there.
Oh, there he is. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello. This one? 3-5? Yeah. Amazing, thank you. Thank you, sir. Already got out the window there, some more high rises. Lots of tall buildings. I've made it to Antelia. So this area here is more of the rich neighbourhood, the modern neighbourhood. Behind me we've got like a very, very tall building, which I think is, I can't remember how many floors high it is. I think it's like 20 floors or something high, 20 stories high. But apparently it's a very, very famous building around here and one of the most expensive buildings in the world. And actually around here it's completely different from the rest of Mumbai already. You can see some of the buildings here are just unreal, like really immaculate, and they just present such a different vibe. All these huge driveways here as well. It really is unbelievable. I mean, on the side of the road here as well, guys, we've got a Lamborghini Urus. So like, it is just insane. It's crazy. Hello. How are you? That is incredible. Well, there you go. A guy cleaning his Lamborghini on the side of the road. We've got all the greenery up there. It's very, very beautiful. So I think explore around here, we're definitely going to see a lot of it. This area is more residential, so it'll just be kind of seeing things primarily from the outside. You can see we've got tons of like huge driveways and all these beautiful buildings around here. There's a really nice kind of tall building here, and it's got flowers decorated around every single layer. I'm not sure what half of these places are, but I know that most of it around here is residential. So yeah, unbelievable. Of course, one thing I've noticed in Mumbai so far is the lack of sidewalks. So obviously everyone walks in the roads, but that's just one thing that I guess will over time be developed. You can see that you kind of just have to walk with the traffic on the side of the road, like a sky bridge that's, you know, nicely decorated as well. But even that, in places like the UK, that would just be boring and grey. There wouldn't be any colour to it, but here you've got like actual artwork going all the way over the bridge, which is nice. So according to my map, if we cross over underneath that bridge just over there, we will eventually at some point come towards the sea. So I think it might be worth going to have a little look around there. We've got to just try and cross this manic road. Hello.
Hi sir, good morning sir.
Good morning. One thing I've noticed down this way actually is that there's huge sidewalks that I'm walking down now, and it's only just occurred to me. You can see really wide sidewalks there, so it looks like this area has got it under control. I think this might actually be the first cow I've seen since being in India for the last few days. So I'm about to walk past one outside a petrol station. Indian Oil, must be getting a refill. Hello, how are you? Dhanyavad. So yeah, that was my first sighting. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Good, good.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Are you good? Beautiful buildings. We've got another tall high-rise just over there, and down here as well you can see it's very looks very clean. Lots of pristine white buildings. There you go, one under construction, one that looks like it's finished or nearly finished. So yeah, just to show you all the modern side of Mumbai. Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Wow, just look at the size of this intersection. It's huge, but very, very clean, modern. So this is the side that you don't really see much of in India. Guys, honestly, it's unbelievable. Going down here, it doesn't actually feel like I'm in the same city anymore. It feels so different. You can just see there all these beautiful pink blossoming trees and just all the buildings around the area. It looks like here they're still doing the construction of the sort of walkway. So back onto the roadside we go temporarily. Again, more construction, lots of construction work going on. So yeah, eventually this place though is going to be, I can imagine, absolutely beautiful, spectacular everywhere. So it even says on the signs here, you can see, it says there, Mumbai Coastal Road Project. So connecting people and places. We've got lots of fruit and veg stalls down here as well, so a little market, lots of fresh fruit and veg. To keep cool on a hot day like every day in India. Again, I know I keep saying it, but absolutely unreal. The buildings here, huge, like condo looking buildings. I'm assuming again it's probably apartments. I don't know if you can see, but every floor kind of has a lot of nice garden surrounding it, and it does look very newly built. So, can I see the sea from here? You can.
No.
Oh, you can't. No. Is there anywhere I can?
Oh yeah.
Oh, down there, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, amazing. Okay. What is this? Like residence buildings? Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Have a nice day. Thank you. Dhanyavad. There you go. So yeah, in there they're like residence buildings, and they have a sea view from there. So I can imagine the view from the top is probably absolutely it's probably really, really good. Yeah, crazy. Got all the food vendors down here too. There's yeah, lots going on. Very busy streets. Oh, that smells good. There's a really nice smell of food down here too. Okay, this is quite a cool little area. Yeah. Oh, beautiful flowers, souvenirs. It's very, very nice. Very beautiful. Hello, how are you? Good. I'm good, thank you. Yeah. And the clothing as well is such beautiful designs. Really, it is lovely. I can actually see a couple of tall buildings that I've been seeing a lot while I've been walking around Mumbai. These two towers that are basically identical. Just in the distance, just over there. You can see the tops of them.
Hi sir, good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, you do sir.
Good, good, yeah.
How are you doing?
So guys, as we're carrying on to walk, it looks like the clouds, again a little bit dark over there, but at least it's got some nice shade, so that's always a bonus. But hopefully it doesn't rain. I'm sure it'll be fine, but yeah. You can see now as well the towers just in the distance, they're just there, them two towers. We're definitely out of the modern side of Mumbai now. Extremely busy around here. This is like back into the depths of the city. You can see lots of people around. So guys, that does bring me to the end of this video. I hope that what you have seen here has been interesting, and I hope that you've got some kind of idea of what the other side of Mumbai looks like. We did go a little bit off track towards the end, but it was still interesting to kind of see some different places that are close by to the rich area, the modern area. And I do hope to do more videos like this in the future. So if you do have any more recommendations, if you think there's anything I missed, if there's anything else that I should do while I'm in Mumbai or when I'm next back, then leave it down in the comments. I'll be very interested to hear what you say. But as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.